AMC just reported Q3 earnings today, and it is the best earnings they've ever had in its 103 years of life. But before I do get into that, make sure to go down and subscribe if you're new to the channel. I do talk about AMC stock every single day, and today is a huge day. So today in the morning, we hit a high of $10.36, and all day we were trading pretty low. We were at around $10. We closed at $10.09. After hours, when they reported Q3 earnings, it crashed big time. We were down over 5%, and we hit a low of like around $9.45 after hours. The only thing that had me feeling shitty was I couldn't buy at that very moment. I literally couldn't. We went from $9.45 after hours. Now we're trading a little higher towards $9.97 at the moment. We're only down about 1%. 1.5%. The only thing that was hurting me was that my check isn't going to hit until like 3 a.m. tonight. So tomorrow morning, I wouldn't mind if AMC goes back down towards 9.50. If that does happen, I'm going to load up on a call and just more shares. But if that doesn't happen, I'm going to buy more shares either way because I'm going long on AMC. They just reported the best earnings they've ever had. Let's get into that right now. This is absolutely insane. $729 million in cash. Beat again, shorty. We know what we own. AMC Entertainment Holdings reports third quarter 2023 results. Summary of third quarter 2023 results. Total revenue grew by 45% compared to Q3 2022 to $1.4 billion. With a B, guys. Net earnings grew by $239.2 million to $12.3 million compared to a net loss of $226.9 million in Q3 of 2022. Basically, Q3 was insane. Let's get into what Adam Aaron said about this. Adam Aaron did leave a comment, like 2 paragraphs. So commenting on the earnings report, AMC chairman and CEO Adam Aaron said, "It's quite satisfying for AMC to report impressively favorable earnings for the third quarter of 2023, significantly above consensus and market expectations. Revenues exceeded $1.4 billion. Adjusted EBITDA was $194 million. For both revenue and adjusted EBITDA, these were AMC's most successful third quarter results in our company's entire 103-year history, by definition being greater than the third quarter of pre-pandemic 2019. So it's official. We're better than we were in 2019. We're better than we were in history. And this was just with a couple big hits like Barbie and Oppenheimer. Imagine Q4. Imagine Q4. It's going to just be something never seen before in history, which is why I'm going long on AMC, which is why I'm loading up as soon as I get my paycheck tomorrow. For the second consecutive quarter, AMC reported positive net income, and we ended the quarter with $730 million of cash. This all suggests that we are well underway on our growth path to recovery from the ravages of the COVID pandemic. Aaron continued, "What is perhaps most impressive of all is that our success in the third quarter came at a time when our attendance at the domestic box office in the quarter was still 16% below comparable to 2019 levels. So the attendance was still down, but we still broke records that AMC has never seen before. That success is because our contribution per patron was up 30% versus 2019. Our overall profitability has improved in part from all the actions we have taken over the past 3.5 years, including innovative marketing and pricing initiatives that have significantly increased per patron spend, especially in our high margin food and beverage business. The pruning of our theater fleet by closing marginal theaters and opening up successful new ones, as well as a continued focus to manage expenses in a challenging inflationary environment." Basically, Adam Aaron just said we're going to the moon. And I know the stock price says otherwise, but I've been saying it in my past couple videos. Cinemark went down on good earnings. AMC, I was predicting to go down today. And guess what? I'm hoping it goes lower tomorrow because payday is tonight at 3 a.m. for me, and I'm ready to load up. It's just more shares for me at the end of the day. If it does go lower tomorrow, even though I already do have my life savings in AMC, I wouldn't mind a discount. You know, earnings $1.4 billion, revenue Q3. Beat by 300 million estimate. Let's go. Market makers and shorting after hours to stop buying pressure. In the beginning, right when we went into after hours, AMC actually shot up to $10.70, and from $10.70 we went down all the way to $9.45. How crazy is that? I just wish I had money. I just wish my paycheck already hit so I could have bought right then and there, because from $9.45 we went back up to $10, and now we're trading around the $9.90 mark. Tomorrow's gonna be a huge day. Up or down, it's going to be good for me. If it goes down, I'm gonna buy more shares. If it goes up, I'm still gonna buy more shares, and it's just gonna be better. But I mean, if it goes down, it's just more of a discount for me and all of us apes. That's all I gotta say. Q3 earnings breaking records. And this is without Taylor Swift. This is without anything. Imagine when Q4 comes around. All I gotta say is I'm holding. But that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to go down and subscribe if you're new to the channel. We are about to hit 800 subscribers, and I know we could get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I am going to be going over every time I bought and sold AMC. When I do hit 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 apes. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. As y'all know, I'm buying the dip.
Here we go. Come on, push it. Buying the dip.